This thought does not kill the body. It kills meaning. Kings, churches, and philosophers feared it. If you understand it fully, you will no longer be who you were. This is the most dangerous idea ever conceived by humanity. For thousands of years, people believed in a single, absolute truth. It gave life meaning and explained why we exist. It shaped empires, guided kings, and comforted the powerless. But one day, Friedrich Nietzsche said, "God is dead." He was not talking about religion. He was talking about us, humanity itself. Humanity killed the idea of absolute meaning with science, reason, and progress. We stopped believing in a higher order and were left alone with chaos. Imagine standing in an empty cathedral, sunlight piercing through the stained glass, and realizing that the altar is bare. That was the world after this revelation. Nietzsche did not rejoice. He warned, when God disappears, rules disappear. The must and must not vanish. Everything becomes possible. This is freedom, but freedom is terrifying. Now you must decide where to go. If you fail, there is no one to blame. You are simultaneously the architect and the prisoner of your own existence. Many philosophers before him tried to reconcile this. Kierkegaard, for example, grappled with despair, and Schopenhauer wrote about the suffering inherent in life. But Nietzsche pushed further, confronting the abyss directly. This idea destroys the familiar order, but opens a new evolution of consciousness. From it arose existentialism, postmodernism, and modern psychology. People began to seek meaning not above, but within. They asked themselves questions that kings and priests never had to ask. What is the purpose of my life? Why do I choose to suffer, to love, to act? But with this freedom came anxiety. If there is no meaning handed down from above, why get up, work, love, or struggle? Why bother at all? We live in an age where everyone creates their own meaning. Some find it in careers, some in family, some in likes and views. Social media has amplified this. Each post, each story, each tweet is a tiny assertion of self-made meaning. We build our little worlds like digital gods and fill them with significance. But the more meanings we invent, the stronger the sense of emptiness. It is like painting a masterpiece on water, beautiful for a moment, but it evaporates instantly. Nietzsche called this the desert of meaning. When a person realized that there are no ready-made answers, they became free for the first time and alone. Many of us feel this even today. In moments of quiet, when the noise of life stops, we confront that same void, and some run from it, filling their lives with distractions, addictions, and routines, hoping to escape the responsibility of choice. Perhaps the most dangerous thought is not that there is no meaning, but that now you are responsible for it. You must create it. You must choose it. And that is terrifying, because with every choice comes the weight of consequence. Imagine standing at a crossroads in the dead of night, with every path unknown, and knowing that the journey itself defines you. What do you think? If there is no higher purpose, does it liberate you or frighten you? Could it be both? Comment below how you deal with this knowledge. Do you create your own meaning or search for someone else's? How do you navigate the uncertainty that freedom brings? The history of humanity is the history of dangerous ideas. Ideas that tear down old walls and force us to build new ones. The concept that there is no ultimate meaning has influenced artists, writers, scientists, and revolutionaries. It has led to despair and to brilliance, to nihilism and to creation. This is one of those ideas. It can destroy your world or build a new one. It all depends on what you do with this freedom. Consider the pioneers who faced this abyss, the existentialists who stared into it, the poets who painted it, the thinkers who sought to map it. They understood that meaning is not given, it is carved painstakingly from the chaos of life. Every choice, every act of courage, every moment of reflection is a brick in the structure you build for yourself. Subscribe to Decode Philosophy. Here we explore ideas that shape the way you think. Thank you for watching until the end, and remember, sometimes to find the truth, you must risk meaning. Taunerhort Testores.